Skyfold Mirage is a custom-manufactured, fully automatic, rigid, flat retractable partitioning system that allows you to take advantage of natural light and at the same time revolutionize the way you design and work with your space. The Skyfold Mirage is stored in the ceiling. No floor tracks are required, and there are no side storage pockets, allowing for more efficient use of space. It can be scaled to fit unlimited lengths with a vertical height of up to 24 feet. Silent and completely automatic, you can reconfigure your space in minutes with a simple turnkey operation. No manual labor is required. The powerlift partitions were designed with exceptional safety features. The lifting mechanism uses aircraft-grade wire cable. A built-in separate closed-loop hydraulic checking system provides sufficient braking should the gear motor lose power. Optical sensors ensure that the travel path is clear of obstacles. The Mirage panels are light. They weigh in between 7.5 to 8 pounds per square foot, depending on the finish and thickness. They exert a static load, which typically results in a considerable saving on structural steel. In order to take full advantage of natural light, the Mirage product finishes include clear laminated glass, frosted glass, and privacy glass. With a high proportion viewing area, they are sure to meet all your aesthetic design needs. Skyfold Mirage is the answer when you need both space management and light.